My name's macintosh. This is my scooter. I'm going to tell you all the faults. I've got inverted keyboard with the word orange that I selected in grey. These are ODR green grips over here, as you can see, with the nice black ODR barring. Down here, we've got my folder sticker, which that was yesterday when we went with Max, James, Isla, and me, and Dave. Dave.
That was it.
Dave. Okay, these are silver JD-Bug clamps, I mean gold JD-Bug clamp and a red JD-Bug clamp. This is red mythical wheel, Eagle Sport, and this is my race forks with stars on them.
That's sick.
This is my reinforced. This is the reinforced bit where it helps with snap. And underneath my deck where it's got stars all on it. And then I've got a Maggia wheel with checkered blue grit tape and razor brakes.
And what bearings do you ride?
ABS.
Nice.